place our cameras for our groom feed. Alright, everyone lights up! Wow, you look so beautiful. Everybody smile! Everybody say Watson's Playlist 2026! 3, 2, 1! Watson's Playlist 2026! Thank you so much, guys. But please stay on stage as we will be having another moment with everyone. So, because we own the moment tonight, let's all relive our moments together. Please watch this. so much for making us believe again in the beauty and the power of music and being together. Let's own the moment together. Once again, I'm Aya de la Cruz. Maraming salamat. Ninang Watsons. Watsons playlist, own the moment. Thank you very much. Thank you and good night. Bye, guys. Ingat po kayo pauwi. See you again next year. Woo!
That was your Watson's Playlist 2026 on the moment. A big thank you, Watson's Club members, for making this night unforgettable. Have a safe trip home.
Ano ba yung pinakamalakas nyo? Pagod na ba kayo? Saba! Mawari ng magingan! Maraming salamat po sa pagdalaw dito sa Watson's Playlist. Pero, bago ang lahat, magpapakilala po muna kami. Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Ako nga pala si Pablo. What's up? Magandang gabi, mawari na ako po si Stel. Magandang gabi po, ako nga po si Josh. Magandang gabi sa mga kapatid. Good evening everyone, I'm Justin, and we are SB19. Good evening, Watson's Club member! 18, make some noise! Parang kaya pala kasano. 18, make some noise! Parang halata naman na may energy ba kayo? Meron ba? Meron ba naman? Tama? Pero di ba kayo naantok? Di ba kayo naantok? Oo, kasi kung naantok kayo, pupuntahan namin kayo. Kaya dapat mulat yung mata nyo. Baka mamaya pagtingin nyo, nasa tabi nyo na kami. Okay, kaya walang matutulog ha, bawal matulog, okay? Kaya matulog kayo. Ha? Matulog sila. Para katabi ka agad nila. Diba? Pero sana i-keep nyo yung energy nyo na yan kasi nagsisimula pa lang tayo. Marami pa kayong dapat abangan na performance. Tsaka parang nasabi na may special collaborations mga... Excited ba kayo doon? Yan, abangan nyo yun, okay? Thank you. Hey, John! Namiss niyo ba kami? Pero syempre, para sa inyo po na mga first time na nanood dito at sa mga nakapuroon na po, Watson Club's member! How are you? Ay, humina. Gutom na. Gutom na kayo? Hindi ba kayo nag-reserve sa pabraso ni Stel? Nice, nice. Pero yun, hopefully this night, alam po namin marami nag-abang for this day. And of course, gusto lang po namin makapag-enjoy kayo lahat. And syempre, deserve natin na makapag-relax. Is it a Sunday ngayon? Ito Sunday ba? Sunday, Sunday. So dapat enjoy natin itong Sunday na to para puyat tayo bukas. Yung basak bukas na. Ayun nga, yung maganda eh. Yun nyo, sobrang minis namin kay Watson's Playlist. Kasi I think yung last na Watson's Playlist natin parang 2 years ago na. And we're very happy na right now, makabalik kami sa stage ng Watson's. And hindi lang kami as performer, but also as official Watson's ambassador. Thank you, Watson's!
Gusto ko namin pasalamat sa Watson's. Thank you for making us part of doing Watson's family. Maraming salamat po.
Siyempre, tama po sila gusto namin pasalamatan yung Watson's kasi this is our third Watson's Playlist. Siyempre, marami pa kami gustong gawing memories with all of you guys. So, for our next song, alam ko lang ito because this is one of our favorites. Alam niyo ba to? Alam niyo ba yung mga kanta namin? Sabagay niyo lahat? Okay. Gusto namin dito sa susunod namin awitin, makikanta kayo lahat. Kasi doon lang natin magagawa yung great memories if sumabay kayo sa amin. Okay ba yun? Now for this next song, this is called Memories. Let's go.